Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Aan Awaluddin from Livestock Production Study Program, Department of Animal Husbandry, Polytechnic Negeri Jember. In this session, I will present about our research with entitled Herbal Anthelmintic, the effectiveness of worm infection control in sheep using urea molasses block containing tobacco waste. Actually, this research is part from our research roadmap. It focuses on gastrointestinal parasite in ruminant, and we have started from 2018. For the background, disease control and prevention factors including the presence of parasite disease such as worm infection or helminthiasis need attention to increase the productivity of sheep. Worm parasite in the digestive tract are a major problem causing health problem in small ruminants, including in sheep. In our research 2019, we found and we identified about the worm parasite from sheep in Jember district. They are from the species Ostertagia, Trichostrongylus, Cooperia, Strongyloides, Moniesia, Bunostomum, Capillaria, Toxocara, Trichuris, Haemonchus, and Parampistomum species. The tobacco has a potential anthelmintic, natural anthelmintic, and the Jember is an area that has superior product in the form of tobacco in agriculture, so that many tobacco waste can be found in Jember. Besides that, there are allegations about the use of synthetic deworming drug that cause resistance to worm in the field. So an alternative solution is needed to control helminthiasis. And about the objective of this study was to determine the ideal composition tobacco waste as a herbal anthelmintic element from local ingredient added to UMB, urea molasses block, and to determine effectiveness for controlling worm infection in sheep. The benefit of this research is to present UMB product prototype containing herbal anthelmintic, which can be further developed as an alternative solution before being produced as one of the livestock products that have added value. This is about related literature. I want to share about the impact of losses due to parasitic worm infection. They have impact to decrease in livestock productivity and etc. And urea molasses block or UMB is one of the livestock product that is usually given as an additive to support the increase in the nutritional value of animal feed, increase the digestibility of ruminant, and increase appetite, increase productivity and reproduction rate, and etc. The anthelmintic activity in vitro and in vivo tests from tobacco leaf, there are in the form of CAA and CMA shows the anthelmintic activity. So it can be concluded that tobacco can be used as an herbal anthelmintic. About methodology, preparation to make UMB sheep. Yes, we call this UMB is UMB sheep. Urea molasses block Sirna intestinal parasite. UMB made from tobacco waste was made with the addition of tobacco waste as max 1%. This is for treatment 1, 3% for treatment 2, and 5% for treatment 3, and 0% or without tobacco waste as a control. Addition of tobacco waste is by substituting rice bran. So if we make UMB 1%, we must decrease rice bran 1%. This is for the composition of UMB constituent material. This is they are molasses, urea, rice bran, BGF, soybean, and etc. For treatment evaluation, we use animal experience. There are 10 sheep with natural helminthiasis infection, divided into 4 groups. Group 1 as control, is given UMP without tobacco waste. Group 2 was given UMP with 1% tobacco waste. Group 3 with UMP with 3% tobacco waste, and Group 4 was given UMP with 5% tobacco waste. The treatment was given for 2 months with the same maintenance management for each treatment. The evaluation, we calculating the EPG X per gram from the feces every 2 weeks to see the effect of the treatment on the amount of EPG or the degree of helminthic infection after treatment. EPG calculation of worm X was carried out based on the method used by Whitlock method. Result and discussion. This is a grouping experimental animal. We identified about the natural helminthiasis infection before the treatment. We identified in group 1 there are Strongyloides and Monacia, and group 2 they are identified Monacia and Strongyloides, and group 3 Cooperia, Strongyloides, Monacia, and group 4 they are still Strongyloides and Monacia with EPG the means more than 100. And this is observation after 2 months after we given the UMP with tobacco waste. In group 1 with 0 tobacco, we identified in the 8 weeks after treatment they are still, we found the worm egg from the Monacia species, and from group 1 with 1% tobacco waste, after 8 weeks treatment we still found Monacia species, and in group 3 after 8 weeks treatment with 3% tobacco waste, we identified Toxocara, and the significant in group 4 with UMP 5% tobacco waste. After 6 weeks we not found about the X-worm or negative in the observation due to in the 8 weeks after treatment. So after we look the observation about the X per gram the worm X, we have a conclusion: if the provision of UMP with an additional 5% of tobacco waste has the potential to control helminthiasis in sheep. I want to say thank you for the Polytechnic Negeri Jember for providing research funding, PNP funding through P3M, Polytechnic Negeri Jember. And this is our presentation about our research, and thank you.